Good. Yep. Dude, I love your videos,
Oh,
man.
thank you. Thank you. America, I see why y'all fat. What up? Psychedelic.
Good morning, sorry about that. How can I help you?
Let me have a blueberry muffin and a hash brown. You know, I ain't supposed to be eating in this luxurious $130,000 car. What, you know, the ZL1 is, man. Nothing like it on the road. Everybody just got the black and white one. Seen the all black one. Boring. 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 If you got a black and white car. Time is a hyperweight. I'm bored. Yeah. Black, white, gray. Boring. Tesla. I pull up on all of them, roll down my window. Bored. Y'all boring in the world, man. That's why y'all hate people like me and Hyphy. You know what I mean? Look at a white car. There you go. White, black, dark gray. Boring. Thank you for this day, David. Bless us. Watch us going to and fro. We have to continue blessing our health, wealth, success, as well as positive people in the world, negative people wake above. We ask that we get $10 million liquid in the bank, not included assets. Amen. Got that little hash brown. I just got one hash brown. It's cold already. I'm gonna eat this outside. I want the crumbs in my. That must be paper from the same company or something. He say he make it, but it must be from the same company. That wrapping that tint. This is too coincidental.
Yeah.
We here, hey. You signed up to get raced when you got a track hawk hole, boy. Hypey Whitey mad because everybody would race.
Yeah.
It's already packed.
Yeah.
Got here, say Clemente car beat.
Yep.
See what's happening right. See if they got something new. You know what I mean? Oh, look at the BMW with the wing on it. There's wing on it, man. I'm like, right in the middle.
Why not? I mean, like, park wherever you want. We're the show.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
That's what I said. What's up with the guys at the car meet? We got that work gum, man. And you know, this is my daily dose of caffeine right here. So make sure you go to hypelylife.com. Use the code YT. Oh, yeah.
That's a wrap. By
like
Reflections,
vinyl,
yeah.
They use a vinyl like wrap.
Yeah.
It's crazy. Both of these.
That was done in Vegas.
Yeah, both of them. Yep. They grow up so fast.
That's how the kids gonna be.
Oh, look at them.
Hey, let me get a video of y'all.
Oh, yeah,
hey,
do
bro, I
it.
love you,
Look
dog.
at that, look at
I
that.
be praying with you, grubbing and everything.
Oh,
That'd
I
be
appreciate
praying.
that.
Yeah,
That's
dog,
what's
like,
up.
you guys be grubbing the same time as me.
That-
I get a drip check.
What's
Oh,
up,
check
baby?
out
We
that
out
drip
here.
check. That drip check.
You got the Mercedes.
Oh, yeah, with the Versace.
Mercedes.
You heard?
Yeah.
It's
Much
me,
love,
guys.
baby.
Yeah, pleasure to
too.
meet you, bro.
What you
Yes,
bring
sir.
out?
Just the Beamer M5 over there.
Oh, the M5?
Yeah, I'm trying to get a Corvette.
Oh, you like the vet?
Yeah, man, I love them. A
Yeah.
lot of little rich kids around here, man.
Yeah, you got an M5.
Good.
Awesome.
How cool is that?
How cold?
It's icy.
Oh, that's icy. I never,
That's icy,
before I got
alright.
this, I never seen nothing that's icy.
I've
In
never
person.
seen this icy in my life.
Look at it hitting in the
That's
sun, too.
Oh,
You
dude.
gotta get you some, boy. I'm probably the happiest guy here.
Yeah, it has it's got the Hellcat engine in it.
Thank you.
Are you Cali Muscle?
Yeah.
Dude, I love your videos,
Oh,
man.
thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
800.
tire. Let me try that joke.
Hey, there's enough room for two.
Yeah, let me try that joker. That's crazy.
Yeah, it is actually super crazy.
Engine just out.
Yeah, exactly. Look at that exhaust, dude. Wow, that's a big engine, bro. It's a big block. Damn. You got all your belts exposed and stuff. Damn.
Hands down, man. I ain't gonna lie, if I got an old school or something, it'd be like this, Trans Am. Rare to see and just, you can hype that mug up.
Yeah, it still looks dope, honestly.
Yeah. This type of...
This is what I was racing in my Hellcat.
Yeah, but a newer one, right?
Yeah, I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
Love the fit.
Thank you.
Very nice, very pretty. Thankfully, it's like
Please don't touch. You bet. I want to touch it now.
Need some
I want to
wheels.
touch it. Oh, it needs a wide body kit and it needs to be a Hellcat. But you got me.
You know what I mean? I was an avid gambler, I know. I never told people about them damn days.
When?
First week I knew you.
First week you knew me?
First week, man.
Oh, that sucks.
Hey, where I've been in my life, I learned to be a psychologist.
Oh, so what was I when you first met me?
Huh?
How did I change?
How did you change?
Yeah, was I more humble?
Of course, because you was fresh, you was green, so yeah, you was more humble.
Okay, what am I now?
With the editing, filming, it was that level back then. You was that level you are now back then.
Okay.
You just got faster,
Right.
but you already had an eye for it.
Yeah.
That's when you showed me that first video. I was like, oh, we got to work together.
Oh yeah.
Well, that's all it took. Yeah, you was humble. You was even humble, you know, when you came out here in your little Impala.
Oh, you're gonna bring it up?
Impala.
Oh
You was
yeah.
humble, man.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And all of a sudden, boom, you got that red eye.
Oh, it was over. It was over.
Went buck wild, man. Went buck wild.
Yeah.
Wearing leather and See, you a level, actually, with the leather,
Yeah.
you a step above me. So I gotta start buying leather now.
You're not afraid to wear it, are you?
Hell no, I wore leather before.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna go dark on it, wear all black leather.
I'm not a level above you with this, bro.
Oh, with the until I get leather. See,
Oh,
that's
shut
gonna force
up.
my hand. Yeah, that's gonna force my hand.
You be on some Young Thug stuff, bro.
Oh yeah. Yeah, they a level above me.
Yeah, they're multiple levels above me.
Where they a level because I don't know where to wear that. So our schedule is workout, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
A lot of working out. I don't want to have to go home, take a shower. Later on, especially if I get back into acting, red carpets go get lit up.
Mm-hmm.
I used to dress the most when I used to go to red carpets.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I get back in that, be dressing my off in the roles like that one that pulled up today. My daughter, bro, I'm like, this is just, she must have been here before. She ain't never seen no breakdancing in her life. She was on the mat breakdancing last night. I'm like, bro, I was just like that. The whole family was just watching. I'm just like, with my mouth open. Where the she learned? She ain't dancing. I'm like, we don't watch music videos of that. So like you say, it gotta be from the cartoons, but
Something.
well, just brilliant, man.
Yeah, she's sharp.
And Khalid just go hit you in the mouth, man. He ain't been that violent lately though.
Oh yeah.
But he throws some mad tantrums. Helena would be like, we gonna have to seek some help. I'm like, you ever heard of tantrums? That's normal for a kid.
That's cute.
Yeah, exactly.
Damn.
Oh yeah, you didn't get the potato salad?
No. Wow.
After this, I gotta drink a gallon of water. Push that sodium out. I might drink a gallon of water, baby.
Yeah.
But I'm probably gonna just eat half of it, box it up. I can't eat a lot of food in public.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, cause my like my anxiety, as they call it.
Right.
But it's my energy.
Right.
Be just too. I'm looking all over the place. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Scratching, like I'm on some coke or something. Told you can't take. You know, I don't. Me in public, I'm like a wild animal.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It gets me the agua. We wanted to just bless over the food. Thank you for watching over us in our cars, making it here safely. That you continue blessing us, family, friends, and associates. Amen. Got some look like some swine up in there. Kumbaya, taste these greens, boy. Kumbaya. Let's try this pulled pork, boy.
Oh, that's chicken.
Oh yeah, pulled chicken, excuse me. Kumbaya.
Okay. You gotta wait. Yeah.
Hey, this song hit, Ivy.
Yeah, I know.
They told me you need salt. They say you need salt. About 3,500 milligrams there.
Damn.
You gotta try yours.
Hello.
White,
folks.
what white hyphy? What
White.
we call it?
He said white hyphy. Guy pulled up in a truck yesterday and goes, white hyphy. Oh, I fell out about 3 times last night.
I'm thinking about that.
Just thinking about that.
You got a new name today too.
Oh yeah.
Smiles.
Smiles.
I love that one. Hyphy Smiles.
That's right. That's right.
Let's see what you think, boy. You got the same thing?
It's a little salty. It's good though.
Yeah.
That's
So
good.
the chicken wasn't too salty to me. The greens are.
Oh yeah. This is collard greens.
Yeah, it's good though. It like got a sweetness to it with the salt.
Oh. Now, you guys know how to make collard greens, man.
Tell you what.
You guys?
Oh, who you referring to?
The guys here at the place.
Y'all just put council culture in his comment section.
Oh, that's good too. The spinach?
Oh, you got spinach?
You gotta eat your greens. No carbs,
that's
pretty
good.
much.
Oh yeah.
No
just
carbs,
that,
man.
Huh? Yeah.
I'm on my diet.
Diet.
Yep.
It's a lifestyle.
Yeah, I like that better. I might have a little bit of something, you know. Just a little bit, bro. Just a dab. He's good.
Good.
Yeah.
So if y'all in Southern California, I must say, you want some real, what is this, Southern food?
Yeah, barbecue, yeah.
Come to Smokehouse on Main. Got the name of it. Smokehouse on Main. I can remember one place, me growing up, that had, we called it soul food, like this. This is a treat.
It is.
This is a once a month
Yeah.
type treat. Go. Tastes a little peach cob.
Oh, gotcha.
Peach cob.
Gotcha.
You know what I'm saying? Let's see
Hey,
what it look
don't
like.
eat that.
Huh?
Don't eat that.
Once a month, bro.
I was just doing my due diligence.
Ooh, look at that peach cobbler. Hey, why you about to be jealous? Peach cobbler.
Let's see it.
Kumbaya, my own.
Wow.
Too good, Ivan. You don't need none of them. Ah! America, I see why y'all fat.
Click here to watch another awesome video from Cali Muscle. And if you support the channel, hit the subscribe button.